Good morning. How excited are you for another spelling test? I think you only have like 2 more tests after this one, so we are almost there. You guys are hanging in there and you guys are doing it. You're doing a great job. This is spelling test take 2. One of the positives about virtual teaching and doing videos is that when I sound like a goofy Gus, I can just hit the trash button and start all over again. So you need a paper, a pencil, and your paper should be numbered 1 through 16. And let's get to it. Number 1 is chalk. Do you ever like to draw on the sidewalk or the driveway with chalk? Chalk. Number 2 is fall. Fall. Can't tell you that one. Sometimes I laugh so hard I fall down laughing. Fall. I really wanted to say that fall is my favorite season, but that would be, a letter would be different, and that is not this letter. Okay, rhyming with fall, number 3 is small. Willow used to be so small, and now she's so big. Small. All right. Number 4 is stall. If you have horses or cows, they usually have a stall that they go to. Stall. Sometimes I stall my car because driving a stick shift isn't fun. Stall. Number 5, walk. I love going for a walk. I take Willow for a walk every day after school at 4 o'clock. Walk. I have no alarm set, so that way I don't forget. I have no idea. Oh, I'm not even on that word. Number 4, 5, 6 is talk. I love to talk. Talk. Sometimes I need quiet time, but for the most part, I love to talk. Just ask Mr. Rich. Number 7, wall. I am working on a new display to hang on the wall for next year. Wall. Number 8, call. I call my mom almost every day. Call. Number 9, past. Hayden was up past her bedtime making crafts this weekend. I think your guys' class is the one that I was telling you about. Hayden making the things out of perler beads. She stayed up late one night to do it. Past was your word, though. Number 10, round. I have no idea. Round. I have a round tire on my car. Round. Number 11, water. Ooh, speaking of water, I am thirsty. Water. Number 12, never. Never say never. Never. I know I just said remember that one was, but I don't remember. The next one is soon. Soon it will be lunchtime and I'm also hungry. Soon. I'm just falling apart to pieces over here. Your next one is river. I love the sound of the river rushing. River. It's also fun to float down the river if it doesn't have sticks sticking about it. Those hurt when you run into them. Your next word? Ground. I like to sit on the ground. Ground. Sometimes people look at me funny because I'll go in the staff lounge and I'll sit on the floor. I'm like, what are you doing? I just want to sit on the floor. And your last word? Fell. I fell asleep early on Friday and Willow scratched my face. She was trying to play with Mr. Wrenchler, and I was laying next to him, and she jumped on my face, and her paw went right down underneath my eye. I can't remember who I showed a picture to and who I didn't. It was bloody. Now it just looks like I got punched in the eye. I have a black eye. Your word was fell. All right, I'm going to read your words back again, okay? Here we go. Chalk, fall, small, stall, walk, talk, wall, call, past, round, water, never, soon, river, ground, fell. Check them over, make sure you got all of the words, and then don't forget to take a picture and turn it in. You guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.